Yeah, we're back. We were just taking a quick break, and like I was telling her, you know, I was definitely stuck there. That was some thick stuff, and usually I use a different thing to put around a tree. It would have been too much of a pain in the butt because I usually carry like a box behind my wife so she can put her back up against it. I took it off. Um, it's almost like a chair, and it has like a compartment in it. Um, but the only way for me to get out of it is I had no choice. I had to wrap it around a tree, and I kind of showed you in the video. Um, I really don't like hurting trees. Um, I'm against littering and all that. I like to keep the trails clean. Um,
Yeah, keep the trails clean, keep your wife dirty.
well, that's not my fault. That's the mud.
Oh,
But we just came out of a trail going sideways, and it's another trail forward,
yeah, not even showing.
and it's a trail right over here, and then it's one right onto the side. But it's one behind us too. That the one behind us, I've been to it before. Um, it rained out last night, so everything's pretty muddy and pretty soupy. Definitely a muddy day. Yeah, we're just we're taking a quick break, and we're going to be moseying out in a minute or so. So yeah, just stay put and definitely check out my videos. I really definitely subscribe. Give me thumbs up. I really appreciate it if you guys can give me some thumbs up. And I checked on that part for the GoPro where it'd be more stable and not jumping around. But definitely watch my videos and check out Radical Randman. I appreciate that. Excellent. Thank you.